we're trying to give them tools that helps them face those dark sides, face the trauma, the baggage, the turmoil, and the uncomfortable, and to step into this integration of full self, of, light and shadow coming together, the depression and the happiness coming together, and learning that it all coexists. And when that balance is formed, whether we're masculine or feminine, black, white, old, young, this balance is going to create a radiance. As Falyn has a practice that she calls the radiant balance system, which is basically integration of full spectrum healing.